What is up, my bros, my subscribers? What's up? So, you're wondering why I do not have video for a long time because I'm too busy. I'm a busy boy, and I'm showing you this my fidget spinner, my new fidget spinner, and we're gonna do I I learned a few tricks, so let's do that trick on the fidget spinner. So this is the first. So I'm here in the bedroom. So this is the first skill I knew. So I'm gonna get that right. That is spinning right, and yes. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that! This is my first skill that I know. Look at that! So beautiful. So good. Look at this. I can even circle. I can even circle the fidget spinners. Look at this. Look! Look at that! Look at that! It's so cool. So the next fidget spinner skill is this. Just gonna put it right there, right? Hold this, hold it, and spin it. Just pretty much spin it. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can just look it, what's up? And just say, what's up? I have a fidget spinner on my hand. Let's go. Yeah, it's very cool. And the next is over here. This is super cool. And you just right there, hold this, and and just and just yeah, there it goes. Spin it. Baby. So that is super cool, and I think I knew how to do it. Just I come here to my bedroom. I'm in my bed. Our bed. So we're in our bed. So I think I can do it. Right. Nope. So hard. Hand to finger to finger. Oh my goodness! I freaking do it. Look at this. Okay, it's freaking hard. Nope. Oh, nope. Almost. Almost there. Damn it! Ah! Nope. Nope. We just got it. Ah! Oh my! Oh, you gotta do it again. I think you guys didn't see that. Nope. So hard. I got it. I freaking got it. Oh my! Did you see that? Did you see that? Comment down below if you see that. And check out my second channel, which is named Awesome Foxy Gamer. Awesome Foxy Gamer, animatronic, what is that? Animatronic picture, and that's an I am, and because that is super cool. Awesome Foxy Gamer, that's all I know, because that is in my tablet. And make sure you subscribe and like if you're new. Subscribe, like this video for the fidget spinner, boy. Fidget spinner for days, man. Fidget spinner. So I'm in my bedroom, bed, and pretty much
Hey, that's
my
fidget spinner.
fidget spinner right over here. So this bird. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Peace out, dudes. Stay cool.